Small bathroom design and decoration ideas. Light colors. Option for light and neutral colors to make a small bathroom feel more spacious and airy. Wall-mounted storage. Save floor space by using wall-mounted shelves or cabinets for storage of toiletries and towels. Large mirrors. Install a large mirror to create the illusion of more space and enhance the overall brightness of the bathroom. Floating vanity. Choose a floating or wall-mounted vanity to give the impression of more floor space. Glass shower enclosure. Use a glass shower enclosure to visually expand the area and allowing natural light to flow through. Pocket doors. Save space with pocket doors instead of traditional swinging doors. Open shelving. Open shelves provide a sense of openness and make the room feel less cramped compared to closed cabinets. Reflective surfaces. Incorporate glossy tiles or reflective surfaces to bounce light around and make the space feel brighter. Multifunctional furniture. Choose furniture pieces that can serve multiple purposes, such as a vanity with built-in storage or a mirrored medicine cabinet. Remember, simplicity and smart storage solutions are key when decorating a small bathroom to maximize functionality and visual appeal.